All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at a way to get paid to listening to music. Really cool. But first, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well that you might want to check out about making money online and such. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below for that as well. There you'll find a huge community of like-minded people. We all help each other out. You get a free membership, 2 free websites, free training. It's really cool. You can start making some really good passive income, get yourself out of the rat race. But anyways, let's check out this. This is something I did mention before, but I have a bunch of new subscribers, so I want to show you this as well. So here we are, folks. This is an app called Renaissance. There's a link in the video description below for this as well. And also, if you use my referral code, you're going to get some points for that as well, because this is a point-based system. So let's check this out. Basically, you just install the app on your iOS device or your Google Play device, or Android device, I should say. And then you just link it to your Spotify account, and whenever you're listening to Spotify, you're going to accumulate points. And this is the iPhone app right here. All right, so you just basically, when you get points, you get these stars, they call them, and then you accumulate enough of those, and you start redeeming them for different gifts and things like that. There's t-shirts, there's other things in there as well, concert tickets and everything. And there's other ways to get bonus points. They have like tasks in there where you can go in and listen to different artists and things like that to get extra points. And it's really cool. So like I said, use my referral link and you can get bonus points for signing up, and then you can share your referral link as well and get bonus points. And then after you get so many points, you start redeeming. So pretty cool, folks. You're not gonna get rich obviously doing this. It's a cool way to make some extra, get some extra things. But also, folks, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. If you really want to learn how to make money online, there's a link in the video description below. It's the #1 link down there. There you're going to get 2 free websites. It's a free membership. It's a huge community of like-minded people. We're all making money online. It's great. Everyone helps each other out. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.